There's a magical place where no one understands. It's got Sam, Kavna, Nathan. It's Nathan Podcast.
Yeah, 1 sec. Wait, show me the can.
I'm Brew.
I am Brew. Yep, I am Brew. Wait.
What, we're meant to hit the tree?
Yep.
Love it.
Fail!
Sam.
Wait. Fucking hell, those are weak.
And this is what would happen if it hit the tree full on.
That's my Sam.
You see? Oh, it's all over me.
Oh god. That's enough! What the fuck? You did it twice!
Yeah, but the second person doesn't hit me.
Okay, Sam, passing the camera. I'll do it. Sorry for covering the camera there with my fucking big hands. It might have skimmed the tree. Now it's Kavna's turn.
Right, do what I did, just do a little jungle with it.
Aim at the tree. Nathan, move your head.
Fail.
Okay, that was the only one of all of us that failed. Don't worry, there will be another...
That happened.
Another attempt.
There'll be another video uploaded after this one or spliced into this one of the same stuff. Because I'm buying more cans.
Yeah. Fail. Yeah, that's not really fun.
Missed the tree. And the camera missed the tree.
He's just weak.
Sam, throw it from there!
I think you're just weak.
Yeah, sure, that'll be funny.
On my head. I'm joking. Don't throw out my face.
Yeah.
I can't wait to drink the rest.
I couldn't drink mine, just got loads of shit in it now.
That was that. Oh yeah, that was good.
Mine's somewhere over there. I kicked and it went all over Nathan.
Well, why are you littering yours?
Yeah,
Because it flew away from me.
It's there, Sam.
It's flying, Sam. It's not over there, it's flying. Just throw it. Yes! That's what we're talking about!
The top actually came off the whole of the top there.
Oh my fucking god! Okay, the next one, we're just knocking the top. Okay, that's the end of this video.
Sam, can you put this
See you in a few minutes.
Bye!
Press that.
Filming.
Orangeade. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it.
Missed them. Orangeade.
Thank you. I shop for 25p.
Oh shit, take one.
Because we're cheapskates. Wait, let me just...
Watch, get off. Fuck you, watch. Wait until
Like that, then.
Yeah.
I put it all back in the bag after we're done.
Yeah, and then we'll just throw the bag in the bin.
Nathan. Nathan.
I want to open this. Yeah, give me a chance. I'm going to shake it.
Are you going to open it, did you say?
Yeah. Do I open it or do I hit it with a stick?
Hit it with a stick.
What one? That one or this one?
That one. Because then you can
Or
get
the
it
one
with
he's
pinpoint.
standing on.
That one. No, you should put it on its side and hit it.
No.
Oh shit!
What the fuck?
Oh my days.
Have you stopped it?
No.
I want to.
Wow.
Orangeade on a stick. Orangeade on a stick.
That smells nice.
This stick is so. Iron brew.
Again? Yeah,
39p
we like iron brew.
or 3 for £1.
Nice price. And he tried to scam us, 170. Bad idea.
We murdered him with a brutal stick.
Yes, that one over there.
Cans.
And it didn't even explode. Oh, kind of did.
Yeah.
Did it? Start leaking.
Fucking stamp on it!
Wait, Nathan, wait.
Why? Alright.
Stand in there.
Big stick, big stick. Why aren't you exploding?
Nathan, wait. Nathan.
Fuck.
Hit it again, hit it again.
I think you're done. Are you done?
Hey, 25p, good deal.
Isn't this your father?
He's not drinking one.
I'm not drinking any.
Wait, stand back, Sam. Sorry, but this needs
Okay, this
control.
is the roped off zone.
Wait, now we're so screwed.
Oh my god. Oh, that's amazing.
Stand on it again. Oh, not. How come you always get the best explosions?
Because I'm sick. And that went up all my new jeans.
Hello,
you
Sam.
filming?
Your challenge.
Hello, I'm Sam here, and my challenge is shaking this and then opening
Show
it.
me Iron Brew.
Iron Brew. Completely. Look, there's stuff in it. Okay, look at this.
Nathan, not your go yet.
I know, I'm still shaking it up.
Oh God, this thing's gonna blow up.
I'm scared.
Open it.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
Now throw it against the tree.
Ah!
Overreaction, Sam. Overreaction.
This is the
Try it now.
different version of an energy drink, a merge.
Don't put it that close. I can't
It's
see
quite
it.
a good energy drink, actually.
Yeah, it's quite good. But what I've done is I put chewing gum on the top, so I'm going to see what
Can you see
happens when
Don't move it.
when I hit it with a stick very hard.
I wouldn't say very hard because you're not that strong.
Where's the stick?
Over there somewhere. I got angry through a tree.
Sam, this way.
Leave it, put it down. This cans are fucking hard. There we fuck!
Bitch.
That's epic!
I guess it's my turn now.
Wait.
Wait.
Oh fuck, I missed. There we go.
Done,
turn?
Sam.
Filming.
Use the same stick as you.
The beautiful stick that I
Are
used
you
to
recording?
destroy orange agents.
Yes, I am. I'm just trying to get my watch in my hand.
Just put it in your pocket for now.
Can't, it's too big. I'll put it in my bag. See, that's Iron Brew, same version as mine. Exactly the same, and he's going to hit it with a stick. I repeat,
Like
hit
me.
it with a stick.
Like or I did with orange agents.
That was fucking amazing. Okay, we're gonna have to put in a slow motion replay of that straight afterwards.
All of them, because my one as well.
Yeah, but look at that. No, I need to see it properly.
Nathan, stop.
Nathan.
Don't put it in the bin yet.
I'm not, I'm putting it in the bag.
Yeah,
Yeah,
put
but
it
leave
there.
it because I need a picture. Just gonna go.
Okay, I think so. It's got red numbers counting upwards.
Red cola here. No, red. Cola here, 25p.
What's colour red?
Yeah.
Hope them kids don't notice this.
Why?
Illegal drug use on cans. I mean,
Oh god, man. Jeffrey's so good. You don't understand. It's a mix of Tom and Bugs.
Where's the zoom in button?
It's that, but don't bother, it makes it all blurry.
What eyes? Oh. Sam.
That's what the Jeffrey's doing to you, Sam. Shouldn't be smoking it anymore.
Okay.
Okay, move back.
1 minute.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my days.
That is amazing.
Greatest idea by Nathaniel Williams. Actual name is Nathan.
Do you know it's gonna pull up your trousers?
You already had.
No, look at your fucking shoes.
No, look at my trousers.
So my face.
It's like it's just covered one side of my trousers.
Nothing, none of it got me.
Alright.
Except the first one, when I was
No.